Hi, I'm Jim Brickle from Edlearn Ford Lincoln in St. Catharines, Ontario, and this is the 2017 Buick Envision. We sell both new and used vehicles here at Edlearn Ford, and it's just as important that our customers buying the non-Fords learn about their vehicles. So, as we start over on the driver door, we have our power windows, and we have the lockout for the rear windows. We have our power mirrors. You flip the little switch left or right to choose the left or right mirror, of course, and then use the arrows to adjust accordingly as you need them. A little higher up on the door, we have our power locks, and then we have our programmable spaces for the driver's seat. So the driver's seat is, well, actually both front seats are power adjustable, and so on the side of the chair here, moves forward, moves back, recline, back up again. So you can adjust it where you're going to be comfortable. Then you would hit set 1, and you lock it in place. And then next driver, of course, would be set 2. The headlamps are here. I've got it in the automatic position. And when you push it in, that's for your fog lamps. You'll know that they can come on up here as they're illuminated in green. So headlamps here, fog lamps there. This is your panel dim switch, so it'll go brighter or dimmer as you roll the dial. HUD stands for heads up display. So I'm not sure how well you can see it in the video, but it currently is displaying 0 kilometers an hour. I can see 70s on 7 as the station on Sirius XM, which I have the sound muted. And then the next one over is, with regards to the HUD, it's got arrows up and down, and that is to reposition it higher or lower so it's in your line of vision. Under the info, when you push it, it changes the display. So now I've got the direction heading north. There's your tachometer. So there's just the kilometers an hour, or your speedometer, I should say, and then back to the radio station being on. I kind of like it with the direction. And this one here is for your heads-up display. Go up for brighter and lower for less bright or dim, I guess you would call it. Your turn signal also has your high beams on there. You can flash them, it'll light blue, and if you push it away from you, you can lock them on. Then we have our steering wheel. So on this side, you can mute a call. You can turn on your heated steering wheel. You can turn on cruise control. And this one is to adjust the gap. So when you're driving with cruise control, which is adaptive, you can go far from the car in front, medium, or nice and close. And that's in conjunction with your cruise control. And then when cruise is on, it'll light up down here. Cruise is off, that goes away. With regards to cruise control, there's resume plus and there's set. So if you tap the brakes, it still holds the speed in memory, and then resume takes you back to that speed, and plus and minus can also increase the speed or decrease the speed by 1 mile per hour by tapping them. We also have our voice control here, so you can tap that, set a radio station. Once you've paired your phone, you can make a phone call. So quite handy on that one. And then, hard to see, but underneath the steering column is this lever, which allows you to go in, out, up and down, and then lock it back into position when you're finding a comfortable spot. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got an up, and right now we've got it set for the music. So it's going up on the favorites. You can go down, but you can also go with this one here. Now it's saying its units are in metric. If you go to the right, you've got US or metric. So if you go up to US and you hit the check mark, in the United States, of course, they go with miles per hour instead of kilometers per hour. So that's what's now displayed. So when it says US, that's in miles per hour, which is indicated in fairly small letters over here. But we are still in Canada, so I'm going back to the right. I'm going back to metric, and I'm once again hitting the OK. Now, I can go up for information, visit, blah, 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 disabled, the speed warning, 8 of 11 pages, sport, metric, and back again. So you can display the information that's important to you all with this control right here. When you go to the right, that brings us over to another column. So that was under settings. And, oops, go to the right again, or left I should say. So now we've got settings, you go up, there's navigation, phone, audio, and information. And when we hit OK on navigation, I don't have a destination currently set, so it is showing my position. I'm in the back parking lot right now. That's why it shows I'm not actually on a road. Now, as we come across, we've got the nice, easy to read display. We've got our four-way hazards there, audio, navigation, phone, projection, settings, rear climate, text. So under settings, you can set the time and date, choose your language, valet mode temporarily disables a few things, and you can go down for more choices here. Teen driver allows you to assign keys with customizable restrictions. Refer to your owner's manual. Well, I'm not a teen, haven't been for a long time, so I'm going to cancel that one out. And when you want to go back, you hit the home screen, you've got your rear climate, you've got your navigation up here. So now it shows our map, the station that we're listening to. You can zoom in, zoom out. The presets are across the bottom, the clock is up top, and we're heading north at the moment. So it's fairly easy to get around the screen. Radio, of course, so you can to the next station, your media. Climate controls are down here. You've got your heated seat. You've got your cooling seat. So when it goes 3 bars, that's high. Touch it, it goes down to 2 bars for medium. Touch it again, it goes down to 1 bar for low. Touch it again, shuts it off. This side is at the lowest temperature available. This side is at 17, so it's dual zone temperature control. And you can choose where the air is flowing. You can change the fan speed. You can turn the air conditioning on or off. So the ones highlighted are the ones that are currently on. The shift, you've got, you can do it manually, no one ever does, but you can shift gears with the plus and minus. Your parking brake is here. And as we look up, you've got the release for your panoramic roof and the opening for the screen. So it's a power screen, goes a long way back, gives you a good view. And that's a quick orientation on the 2017 Buick Envision. Hope you enjoy your vehicle. I'm Jim Brickle from Ed Learn Ford.